Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This time we have an unboxing of the Blue Snowball USB condenser microphone, and here we have the brushed aluminium version. Now this does get a little confusing with the Snowball Ice and the Snowball. The average person would think the Snowball Ice has more abilities and is an upgrade to the Snowball, but no, that's completely incorrect. The Snowball Ice is actually the older version and has few features and lesser capabilities. So let's go through some of the differences. Firstly, the Snowball comes in 3 different colours: white, gloss black and brushed aluminium. These 3 colour and material Snowballs do come in different prices, all 3 starting from around £55 to £70. The Snowball Ice does only come in white, which retails for around $49.99. Okay, so now let's go through some of the technical aspects between the two. The Snowball does have 3 different recording patterns. Cardioid, which is for example a voiceover, a speech or podcasting. The second pattern is cardioid with a -10 dB pad, which is useful for loud sound sources, so the sound won't be all blurry. The third pattern activates the omnidirectional mode, which allows you to pick up sound from 360 degrees around the room, and is excellent for when multiple people are talking from different corners of the room, such as conferences and interviews, while the Snowball Ice only has the cardioid pattern. So overall, the Snowball and the Snowball Ice have big differences. So inside we receive a good quality brushed aluminium tripod, and also a USB cable to connect the Blue Snowball to your PC or Mac. And finally, the Blue Snowball itself. And then also we do receive some instruction manuals. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching as always.